Welcome to Samsung's Experience Store. Come on in and let's check out Samsung's newest innovation, the Galaxy S20. Ever feel like you're missing out on all the fun while snapping photos? With Single Take, you can get the best shots and enjoy every moment. It's powered by AI and it gives you multiple photos and videos, perfect to post right away from just one quick video. Here, let me show you. First, open up the camera. Select Single Take, then click the shutter button. You can shoot up to 10 seconds, and it's available for both back and front cameras. Perfect for selfies. Once you're done, you get a combination of the best photos and videos to choose from, including live focus, beauty shot, ultra wide, and much more. And that's it. No more reshooting, no more struggling to find the perfect angles. Just start recording, and Single Take will do it for you. And you gotta personalize your shots too, right? My Filter lets you create your own filters. Just choose a photo with the color and style you like from the gallery and save it as a filter to use later. And no need to download separate camera apps. Thanks so much! Would you like to see some other S20 features? Check it out!